Hi everyone, welcome back to Job One for All. This video is the last one about enumeration, and we are going to see how we can get enumeration by a specific value. So let's go back to customer test. Let's imagine the following. You only have the string individual. So how can you get the enumeration based on a string? So all enumerations will provide to you, for example, customer type, some values. Some methods. One is values that will return all the enumerations inside this customer type class. And the other one is a value of. So let's work with value of. And let's say I would like to get the enumeration based on the string individual. So I will press Alt Enter, introduce local variable and customer type. South customer type. So Shift F10, and you should see the enumeration individual. So you can get the value here. So get, for example, report value. So we have individual. So if I change this to this, will it work? Ctrl Shift F10, and oops, we have a problem because there is no enumeration constant that matches the individual. So basically, you want to find an enumeration through the string value. So you could either work with the report value or the DB value, but you want to get the enumeration back based on one of these attributes. So let's make use of the second method available, the values. What you want is a method, it can be static, that will get by, and let's say report value. And here, this is going to return a customer type, sorry. So get by report value, and of course we are going to need report value. So I have to just go through all of them and figure out which one of these enumerations they have exactly the value that I'm passing here. So we have this values method that we can use, that's available in all enumerations, and it's going to return an array with all values we have available in our enumeration class. And I'm going to iterate over these guys. So just press Alt Enter and then iterate, and then here you have customer type. So basically, if the customer type, remember, it will iterate over each one of these, dot get report value dot equals what we are passing here. So you can even add equals ignore case, because if you have like individual or if you have like individual, it doesn't matter. It is individual in the end. So if one of these report values matches whatever I'm passing here, return who? Itself. And at the end right here, what happens if I don't find? Well, just return no. Cool. Now let's go back to customer test, and we have here individual. I will put it lowercase, but now the method is not value of anymore. So I want now the method to be get report by value, or get by report value. And now I will just see. Okay, yeah, it may produce no pointer exception because we don't know how to work with exceptions yet. So Shift F10, and we have the enumeration. So this way you can create methods that will return the enumeration based on any attribute you desire. So it could be either DB value, report value, or any other value. Because when you are working with enumerations and you store in the database, you're not storing the enumeration database. You are storing, you have some options, but the most common option would be to store like the string value of the name of your enumeration. So individual would be stored in a column in the database. And you have to sometimes retrieve based on the string value. So you have value of to return for that, but sometimes you have to return from a specific string that's based on a report or even the DB value, numeric value. So this is it. This is everything that I had to tell you about enumerations. In the next video, we are going to talk about abstract classes. So I hope you are enjoying the training so far, and I see you in the next video. Bye.